Hey, welcome back. Let us continue with the J component in the data table. In the J part of the data table, we can view the columns or computations. Let us start. In DT1, I component I am keeping it blank. It means that I am not doing any filtering or sorting. I'm just putting a comma. In the J portion, I am entering a field name. Let us see the output. Oh, it is showing as a vector instead of a column. So to show it as a column, what we can do is we have to show it in a list. Before that, let us also check how many distinct product groups are there in the particular field. Some 17 distinct groups are there. Now let us see by viewing this output in a tabular format. We can put the field names in the list. Now it shows as a table. The list command can also be replaced with a dot symbol. Both are same. And to show the distinct records, we can use unique command within dot itself. It shows only the distinct records. Now let us see the multiple fields. It is showing only those fields which are given as an input in this. You can also rename them while viewing them. Here I am giving some label here equals. Here we have to give single equals, not the double equal to symbol. It is renaming the field names and showing the output. While viewing the batch of the column names, we can give the input in two formats. One is, as we seen earlier, within the list or dot, you can enter the field names directly, or you can also enter them without not in the list but in the C command, small c command. Let us see the output of these two. It is showing only those fields, and let us see this also. It's also showing the same output. So both are same. Now let us try by storing the field names in a variable, and by calling this variable we can see the output. I am storing these field names in the select fields one variable, and this variable, while calling the variable, we have two options. One is by putting the double dot, or by using the width equals to false. Let us try both cases. It is showing properly. Let us try this also. Both are same. Based on the requirement, both can be used. Instead of typing all the field names, we can also give a range of fields. Let us see all the field names here. To view all the field names, I am using a function called names and type the table name. This is a field list. From this, I am giving the input from sales executive to region. From here to here, all those fields will be viewed by using this condition. Check. Sales executive to invoice number, net amount, price, commission, and region. Here I will show you another wonderful example. Even we can reverse the order also. Here I am giving from region to sales executive. Let us see what is the output. The order has been reversed. Wonderful, right? Sometimes we may want to exclude only a few set of columns. For that, what we can use, either a minus symbol or exclamatory symbol, we can use that. Let us see the both examples. Here, from serial number to invoice number, I don't want. Let us see all the names. From serial number to invoice number, I don't want to view it. So from net amount to invoice date, the data should be shown. From net amount to invoice date, only data shown. Let us try this example also. So both are same. We have seen how to view the existing records or fields in the J condition or J component. Now let us do some computations in J part. Write the table name followed by square brackets. I am putting is blank, comma, dot bracket open, gross amount equals to, I am just putting some computations here, additions here. Price plus commission. Let us see the output. It is showing the gross amount by adding price and commission. Let me show you the price and commission also. So this price and commission, then I am entering the gross amount. Let us see all these three fields. So by adding these two, this output is showing here. Now let us try with some aggregations. Here we can use all the mathematical operations as per our requirement. Now let us try with some aggregations. Write the table name, comma, dot bracket open, sum of this column. Let us try by executing this, control enter. Hey, I am getting NA values. Why? All mathematical operations, if any one of the value is a null value, all the output will show as a null value. To avoid that, there is an option to ignore the NA values. For that, what we have to give is, we have to give a option here, NA.RM is equals to true. It means ignore all NA cases like that. We have to give the input here. Now let us see the output. Now we are getting the value here. While aggregating, I can also give a label for that. like this. In the next example, let us compute the sum of commission for a subset of data. Here, we are merging I and j components in a single example. For this particular executive, we want to compute the sum of commission. Let us see. So only for this executive, we are viewing the sum of the commission. Now let us also try with the multiple aggregations for a particular executive. So it is showing total commission and ratio total for this executive. Now let us see how to view the count of the records. There are two options. One is using the length command and second one is using the .n. Let us see both of them. So both are same. For this particular executive, there are 6 records. If we ignore this I condition here, it shows all the records in the particular table. So totally 195 records are there, which is matching with the object count. Now let us compute the credit amount. The formula is price into credit ratio. Let us see the output. Here I am taking invoice number, invoice date, price, credit ratio and credit amount. As I said earlier, if any one of the value is a null value, the output also will be shown as a null in the mathematical operations. For that, what we can do is we can correct the data. Here I am giving the I condition wherever credit ratio is a null value is that NA equals to true. For those cases, we are overwriting with a 0. For overwriting, we can use the colon equals to operator. Let's execute this. Again, I am re-executing this above command here. Now we are getting the values. That means 0 values we are getting here instead of blank values. Now let us go to how to aggregate by using the group by command. I am using the same examples, total commission and max credit ratio by each sales executive. So by each sales executive, it shows the total commission and max of the credit ratio. Now let us try another example by region wise and product wise. Here I am using the multiple columns for group by. So it shows region wise and product wise what is the total commission, max credit ratio. While giving this group by, we can enter either dot symbol or list, both are same, or we can use the C command also. When you are using C command, we have to enter the variables or column names in the double quotes or single quotes. We have to maintain uniformly. Let us try the output of this. Both are same. Now while grouping, we will also sort them simultaneously. For that, we can use key by operator. Instead of by operator, we can use key by operator. Remaining everything is same here. So while showing the output, it will sort and then show the output. Hey, congratulations! You have learned how to navigate the data from a data table. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned for more valuable content.